Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 100. So, dear children, as you know that from today we are going to start our new lesson. The name of lesson is The Talkative Barber. Okay, The Talkative Barber. So, dear children, the talkative is a kind of habit, okay, in which person talks a lot, okay, and the extrovert person who talks a lot are called as talkative, okay. Well, this habit can create problems for some other people, okay. Let's see how this habit of one barber creates problem for a king, okay. So, first of all, before starting this lesson, we should know about one word for many. Okay, we should know about one word for many. So, first one is one who works hard is known as laborious. Okay, that means one word for many. One who work hard and play hard, they are known as the laborious person. Understood? Then one who shaves a head or cuts and trims hair is a barber. Okay, so one who shaves the head or cuts and trims hair is called as barber. Understood? Then one who talks a lot then one who talks a lot is a talkative. Okay, and then one who is kind and charitable is generous. That means one who is very much rich and give his money or her money, okay, as a charity, they are known as generous people. Okay, then one who studies a lot, one who studies a lot, they are known as studious kind of people. Okay, then one who is honest and truthful, okay, one who is honest and truthful, they are very sincere kind of person, okay, they are known as sincere person. Then you should also know about what are they called, okay. Here they have asked some questions here, okay, so you should know about what are they called, okay. So first of all, if one cannot see, okay, if one unable to see, they are called as blind people, okay. Then if one cannot hear, if one cannot hear, they are known as deaf people, okay, deaf people. Then if one cannot talk, okay, if one cannot talk, they are known as dumb people, okay. Then if one talks too much, okay, if one talks too much, they are known as talkative persons, okay. And if one who never talks, they are known as quiet people or silent people, okay. So these are the all kind of people, okay. So this is the story, and this is one of the story from the Arabian Nights, okay. This story has taken from the book Arabian Nights, okay. So let's start the story. So let's begin our story. Long, long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar, okay. So long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar ruled over a large kingdom, okay. And his queen was a good storyteller, okay. Each night she would tell a story to the king, okay. Then she narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights, okay. Now read this story about a man who cannot stop talking, okay. That means he is very much talkative kind of person. So let's start. In the city of Kashgar lived a barber who was a great talker, okay. Once the sultan called the barber to shave his head. Okay, so in long ago, there is one sultan, okay, lived in a city of Kashgar. Okay, then what happened? One day, once upon a time, Sultan called the barber to shave his head. Okay, the barber started talking non-stop instead of shaving him. The Sultan got angry. So then what happened? The barber came, okay, to the sultan to shave his head. But what happened? The nature of the barber was very much kind of talkative, okay. He was very talkative kind of person. And then what happened? Okay, instead of shaving the sultan's head, okay, he just started talking non-stop. He just started talking continuously, and for that's why sultan got angry, okay, on the barber. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? Then sultan got angry, and he just tell, or you can say he just ordered the barber. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? He scolded the barber. The barber replied, you do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. Okay, that means the barber said that you hurt my feelings by calling me a chatterer, by calling me a talkative. Okay, for everyone says I am very quiet. Okay, because every people, each and every people said, always says that I am very much quiet. Okay, I am very much silent kind of human being or silent kind of person. But you hurt my feelings by calling me a chatterer. Okay, I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. Okay, he was saying that I have 6 brothers, okay, who all are very much talkative. Okay, you might call them a chatterers, but not me. I am not a chatterers. Okay, you hurt my feelings by saying this word to me. Okay, their names are Bugbun, Bugbaria, Bugbuk, Ulkuz, and Ulnashi. And the last one is Shakabak. Okay, so here the 6 brothers of the barber, okay, whom he talked about. Okay, so one is humpbacked. He was saying that he just trying to explain him nature of his brothers. Okay, because he was saying that you hurt my feelings, you injured my feelings by calling me a chatterer. So he started explaining about their his brothers. Okay, 6 brothers. So one is humpbacked, one is toothless, one is half blind, one is quite blind, and one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech. And they all are great talkers. Okay, but I am the youngest of my family. That means I am very much young of in family. Okay, and I am very quiet and sparing with words. Okay, that means I always use words carefully. Okay, I am not a chatterer. All of my 6 brothers are chatterers. Understood? So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.